Everyone, I'm Dr. Suresh Kumar from Tamil Nadu. I have come here to attend the workshop. I would like to thank Dr. Dinesh and Anshul Shah for giving me the opportunity. I attended WorldCon 2025 at Kochi. Through that, I came to know about this training programs in Jaipur, Piles Hospital and Research Center. It's a very good program. It has helped me a lot. I came to Jaipur and attended the program. It is a well-organized center, and I have seen so many cases of fistula, averagely about 6 to 8 cases per day. This training program is very helpful for me. So those who have interest in fistula and proctology can attend the course and get benefited.
So hi, namaskar everyone. So this is Dr. Suresh Kumar sir. He has come all the way from Tamil Nadu and he is a renowned surgeon there and a old practicing surgeon. Came to know about our center from a proctology conference in WorldCon Kochi. So sir, please, how was your experience from where you are? What is your interest and all? Can you please elaborate?
Hi everyone. Good evening, Dr. Anshul sir. I am Dr. Suresh Kumar from Tamil Nadu. Actually, I had an interest in proctology. So I came to know about this training program through WorldCon Kochi 2025.
Yes.
I attended the program. It was a wonderful program over. It is a well-organized structure, and we have gone through many cases, almost all cases in proctology. We have got a good volume of cases per day. Every day we have a good volume of cases. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to attend this program.
So what was your interest into proctology? What you thought you will be learning here and what you...
Actually, to be frank, I came here mainly to learn fistula.
Okay.
I learned more than what I expected here.
So basically our center is a minimal invasive proctology center. We do all benign surgeries here. And one part of that is fistula, otherwise we are doing all this. So you got to know some hands-on on sigmoidoscopies also.
Yes, sir. I had a hands-on training in sigmoidoscopy and colonoscopy also. I thank everyone here.
Also, you were doing some hands-on in fissure also.
Yes, sir. I had a opportunity to operate a fissure, and I exclusively watch all the MIPH procedures also in detail.
That is all. Thank you for coming here, and thank you.
For
We wish
giving me
you
the
all the best for
opportunity.
your
Thank you,
future.
sir.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.